Here we've got the digital 302 Marantec 2-channel 2-button remote, which operates this door. Both buttons are programmed in, but you couldn't program them into two individual items. You can hear how quiet and smooth that Marantec operator is. Push that door all the way home in a second, and that's locked in now. There's no way I can force that door without damaging the door, and the door's pretty strong, so I'd have to make a lot of noise and do an awful lot of damage and a lot of effort to get into that garage, because that operator is highly secure. Here we have a Marantec garage door operator. As you can see there, it's a Comfort 220.2, which is it's a pretty standard one. It's not the entry level, but it's the next one up. It'll do most door applications. This one is what they call a canopy door, and we've used the mounting kit supplied. It's got a mechanical release. This one here. Right, and the door will go down then, all the way. Manual. Right, and if I pull this green lever then, it'll re-engage on contact with the door. It's got what they call an EOS system, programming system. It's very, very easy to program. I won't go through it now because I've set the limits on the door and I don't really want to do it again. But I'll do that possibly on the next one I install for you all to see. It's got standard orange lamp in there. You can buy them with a white glow, daylight lamps. These are the optional lamp kit that can swivel 180 degrees, and you can put them any direction you like. Looks a bit like a Starship Enterprise with those on, but they're quite handy. We've wired up to a command center here, which has got all the various accessories on. There's one or two missing which I haven't installed yet, but we'll be installing them shortly. We've got the digital 304, which is a 4-button remote, can operate 4 different items. We've just installed it with all buttons operating this motor here. You can see that now moving down there. It'll slow down. It's got auto slow down. We'll click to engage there and push the door, locked it home. That door now is locked home. You will not force that door. You'll buckle in half before you force that motor. It's got a plastic tooth drive belt, which is very strong. It's metal reinforced, and it's extremely strong. You'll have a hell of a job to break that. We've got various other remotes then. We've got a single button one, which is an option extra. We've got the digital 313 3-button remote. That is programmed in as well. We've got the command 131. Push it once, it'll stop. Push either button. They're both the same. It's a 2-channel remote, so you can program with 2 different things. We've done them all on the same one. We've also got here command 231. This is a key security code protected unit. We just got the basic code of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. You can see that operates the door again. We've got a command 311 key switch here. If you turn it once, it'll stop the door, as you can see. Turn it again, it'll start the door, stop the door, reverse the door. Right? We've got the command 411 now, which is slightly different. It's not a flush mounted one, it's a surface mounted one. This one, the door now If you turn it to the left, it will shut the door, and then the left turn will not do anything again until the door is fully open. The right hand one won't do anything either until the door is fully closed. Once the door is fully down, which will be any second now, turn it to the right, it'll open the door. Only turn to the left, it won't do anything. It's a latching relay in it, so it'll only do the function that you're asking it to do. It won't do the other functions. This has got a little plastic lid for a bit of extra weather protection. We've got here the command 222, which is a high security unit. It's got a security screw mounted in there, which you need a special tool for. And you can program up to 3 different units with that. And with this, the code is 1234 P, and then the door will open. We can program up to 3 garage doors there, and you can program the light unit in. What else have we got here? We've got the cigarette lighter one here, the command 323, I'm sorry. It's a 3 function, 3 channel remote. I can't actually show this working now because it needs a 12 volt supply. It's got no internal battery. You leave that in your car. Obviously most cars now have, when the ignition's off, the cigarette light doesn't work. So then if someone breaks in your car, they can't get this to work unless they got the keys for your car. The command 112 and the command 114, they usually come as a pair. You can just use this, which is purely open the door, right? Now nothing else will work on you now, right? You do what you like, nothing will work until that door is fully open. When the door is fully open then, just any second, right? These buttons won't work anymore then. You've got to use the close button. Well, we've proved that one works, so let's do this one. So there's that there. That'll do that. The light is on a timer. It switches off automatically after a short period. Once that light is off, I can turn it on and off here. It'll come on immediately and go off immediately. You've also got here, these are programmed in. If you look, there's a little orange light there. That's flashing. So is that when I push the button. I can actually plug an accessory into these here, and it will turn on with the remote. So I can have it in a shed with a light in the shed, or operating a garden pump in a pond, you know, whatever you can think of really. So you could have a 4-channel remote. You could have electric gates, so you push the electric gate button to open electric gates. You could have double garage, so your left hand garage, your right hand garage, and your fountain lights, for example, or pond pump. See, it's only down to your imagination. You can do whatever you want with the Marantec automation. Thanks for watching.